Final exam review, question 55. How many ways can a committee of 5 be selected from a club with 10 members? I'm going to let these 10 dots represent the 10 club members, and I'm going to select a committee of 5 in this order. The question we're going to have to answer before we can actually figure out how many ways there are is what we're doing. Does that relate to a combination idea or a permutation idea? It's a combination idea if the order in which we select the members doesn't matter. It's a permutation idea if the order we select the members does make a difference. It does matter. So here's a committee of 5 I selected in this order. Is that committee any different than the committee that I select in this order? Assuming I selected that first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Is this committee any different than this committee? Is the order I selected these make any difference? And in fact, it does not. And you can readily tell that this committee of 5 contains the exact same members as this committee of 5. It didn't matter that I chose the orange first here and the orange fourth here. They're still the same 5 people. So this is going to be a combination idea. Mathematically, that means I'm going to be finding the number of combinations of 10 things chosen 5 at a time. By the definition of combinations, we know this is 10 factorial over 5 factorial times 10 minus 5 factorial. By definition of factorial now, 10 factorial is 10 times 9 times 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, all over 5 factorial. 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1 times 10 minus 5 factorial, which is 5 factorial again. So 5 times 4, 3, 2, and 1. And we'll simplify this. This product in the denominator cancels with this one in the numerator. 5 times 2 is 10, would cancel with the 10 in the numerator. 3 goes into 9 3 times. 4 goes into 8 twice. In the numerator, I've got 1 times 3 times 2, which is 6. 6 times 7 is 42 times 6, all over products of 1, which is just 1, so we don't need to write that. 42 times 6 is 252. So there are 252 ways to select committees of 5 from a club with 10 members. This is one such committee out of the 252.